Exploring the java.util.concurrent package. In the world of Java programming, efficient and effective concurrency management is essential for building high-performance multi-threaded applications. One of the key tools that Java developers rely on for managing concurrency is the java.util.concurrent package. Understanding the java.util.concurrent package. The java.util.concurrent package provides a comprehensive set of concurrency utilities that are designed to make it easier for developers to write concurrent and multi-threaded applications in Java. These utilities include classes for synchronization, locks, atomic variables, thread pools, blocking queues, and more. Features and utilities of the java.util.concurrent package. Some of the key features and utilities offered by the java.util.concurrent package include synchronization and locks. The package includes classes such as Semaphore, CountDownLatch, and CyclicBarrier that can be used to synchronize the execution of threads and coordinate access to shared resources. Executors and thread pools. The Executors framework in the package provides a high-level API for managing thread pools and executing tasks concurrently. Understanding the java.util.concurrent classes. The java.util.concurrent package includes a wide range of classes and interfaces for managing concurrency in Java applications. Exploring the java.util.concurrent framework. The java.util.concurrent package provides a powerful framework for writing efficient and scalable concurrent applications in Java. By leveraging the classes, interfaces, and utilities offered by this package, developers can build high-performance multi-threaded applications that are robust and reliable in handling concurrency. Conclusion. In conclusion, the java.util.concurrent package is an essential component of the Java language for managing concurrency in multi-threaded applications. By exploring the features, classes, and utilities provided by this package, developers can gain a deeper understanding of how to effectively manage parallel execution and shared resources in Java programs.